Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm doing a video that I'm really excited to do because it has to do with beauty gurus. So I'm doing a full face of products beauty gurus made me buy. And I was looking through my collection, I was like, wow, a lot of these products beauty gurus made me buy, and like I wouldn't have them if it wasn't for beauty gurus. So I'm gonna go through, do my full face of makeup, and tell you guys who recommended this product and why I like it. Alright, let's get on into the video. Starting off with primer, I have the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Powder, and I have my list down here if you're wondering why I'm looking down at all. This is the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Powder, and Nicole Concealio recommended this to me. She really loved it in her end of year video, and so I've been trying it out ever since I bought it. And let me tell you, I love this. I prime with this every day. As you can see, it's almost gone. I've only had it for a couple of weeks. It is amazing. I love it. Next off, we have foundation, and this is the Dior Skin Forever foundation. I'm in the shade 41, and of course, the person who recommended this to me was Jaclyn Hill. She loves this foundation, and this was actually my first high-end foundation that I bought myself, and I love it. I use it all the time. I highly recommend this foundation. It's full coverage without being super thick. It doesn't feel thick on the skin, but it is a full coverage foundation. Makes my skin look so perfected. This concealer was recommended to me by Jackie Aina. I love her so much. I honestly think she's becoming one of my favorite beauty influencers. She just tells it how it is, and she's a really good person. She really reps us women of color, and what really talks about inclusivity. And she's just a really amazing beauty influencer, and I'm in the shade Ginger in this, if you're wondering. And of course, the sponge was recommended to me by Jaclyn Hill as well. Next, we're gonna, if you can hear the wind too, it is Wizard of Oz wind outside. It's insanely too much wind outside right now. Too much. Next on the list, we have setting powder, and actually Laura Lee recommended me the setting powder. It is the Too Faced Born This Way Ethereal Setting Powder. I've used this in multiple videos. If you guys have seen my other videos, I use this in every video. I love this setting powder. It's my favorite. And so I'm just gonna go ahead and set my face. Moving on, I don't actually have, I'm looking down at my list, I don't actually have a bronzer or contour that has been recommended to me, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that off camera, and I will be back. Alright, and of course anything I don't mention will be down in the description as per usual. Anyway, moving on to blush. This is the Burt's Bees blush in Toasted Cinnamon, and this was recommended to me by Casey Holmes. I absolutely love Casey Holmes. She's she's a YouTuber. She's not new, she has a lot of subscribers, but she's new to me. I recently started following her a couple of months ago, and I really like her. She's so super sweet, and she just seems like a really genuine person. Moving on to highlight, definitely I have two highlighters, but I didn't know which one I wanted to use, but since I already powdered, I shouldn't put a cream highlighter on, but I'll mention it anyway. But I was going to use my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in Champagne, and it looks like this. It is so gorgeous, but since I forgot to put it on before I powdered, I'm not going to use it, because if you put a cream on over a powder, it can kind of upset it, and it's not good. But anyway, Kathleen Lights recommended this to me. I've been using it the past couple of days and I absolutely love it. I will definitely use it in another video coming up. I'm just going to use a powder one, and this one was recommended to me by, actually, it's a collab, so I guess the person in the collab did. But this is, oh my gosh, the door just opened a little bit and that scared me so bad. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna go close it because that's too much. There was a ghost living in my house though, so if you ever see anything back there happen, it's the ghost. But anyway, Soph Does Nails had a collaboration with Makeup Revolution, and I honestly freaking love Soph Does Nails. She's such just an amazing person, and I love her. I just love her so much. And this is her palette with Makeup Revolution, and she recommended it. She also created it, and I'm gonna use it. So I'm gonna go into this gold shade right here and just put this on my face. I don't know if I mentioned this yet, but most of the brushes that I use have been recommended to me by either Laura Lee, Mandy MUA, Kathleen Lights, or I just found them myself. So just a heads up, they'll all be linked down below though. Next, we're going to go ahead and do eyeshadow, and I have a Morphe palette. Oh my gosh. And this was recommended to me by James Charles. I'm definitely a sister. I love him so much. Like, I used to not like him, and then something happened and I was like, I love James Charles so much. But he loves the Morphe 35B palette. He uses it a lot, and I was like, I haven't used a lot of color on my channel, so I'm gonna go ahead and use it. Isn't it amazing how much lashes really changed the game? I used the Sephora House of Lashes in Cecile. I didn't have like a liner or a mascara that was recommended to me. I mean, I guess like the Benefit Bag Out Bang was recommended to me by everyone who has used it within the past couple of weeks, but I didn't have like a firm one, but I just came up with this nice like pinky yellow look. So this was recommended to me by Amanda Ensing. This is the Fenty Gloss Bomb. If you saw my January favorites, it was in that. But honestly, this was not even like, I wasn't even gonna buy this because it was just another gloss. And then Amanda Ensing was talking about how much she loved it in her end of year favorites, and I was like, if my girl Amanda loves it, then I need to pick it up. So let's go ahead and put some on. It's super hydrating too. Look how pretty it looks. Like, it's like a perfect gloss. It's like the perfect gloss. And last but not least, I don't know why I took a weird pause there. We have a setting spray. This is the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. Recommended this by Jeffree Star. He loves this setting spray, and so I'm just gonna pop some of this on. Anyway guys, that is the end of this video. I hope you guys liked it. Go check out some of my other videos. I have a bunch of other videos on my channel. It'll be up here somewhere. I don't know which side. It'll be. And also go follow me on my Instagram and my Twitter, but mainly my Instagram. I think I just hit 800 followers, and so really excited about that. And also guys, just like and subscribe. You know, we're almost to 100 subscribers. Hit that subscribe button. I don't know what side it is. I think it's on this side. I think. Probably wrong. Anyway guys, stay classy and have a great day. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!